guys, it's Rosalie here. Today I'm going to do a orange makeup look which is inspired by this Instagram picture. If you guys want to see how I did it, please keep watching. First, I'm gonna use the Hourglass Veil Primer as my base. Then I'm gonna use the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer and put a few dots underneath my eyes, and then blend it out with a damp beauty blender. I prefer blending out the product first before moving on to the next area, just to prevent the concealer drying on your face. Then I'm taking the Smashbox 24 Hours Photo Finish Eye Primer just to prime all over my eye. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm using the lighter shade, the Neutral Ivory, around my nose, under my eyes, and on my forehead, and then blend it out. Then I'm gonna take the darker shade, which is the Classic Ivory, and put it around my chin area and around the edge of my forehead. And then I'm gonna bake my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Using my beauty blender, I'm just gonna put some underneath my eyes and on my chin and along the jawline. And then I'm gonna take a fluffy brush just to dust all over the rest of my face. Going into the brows, I'm using the Newborn Brow Pen, which is a Japanese brand. First, I'm gonna just draw a line along my natural brow shape, and then I'm just gonna fill in with light strokes. Now, the good thing about this brow pencil is that when you twist open the other side, there's a brow powder. So I'm just gonna go over my brows with that. Then I'm gonna set them with the Essence Brow Mascara. For the eyes, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism Palette. I'm mixing Eden and Saturn to place it all over my outer corner and my lids. And then I'm gonna take a flat brush with a little bit of setting spray, taking the color Sphere, place it all over the inner corner and the middle part of my eyelids. Using the same brush, it's a little bit damp. I'm going back to Saturn just to intensify the outer corner of my eye, slowly drawing a V shape. Then I'm gonna grab a blending brush just to smooth the edges and then blend the eyeshadow up and forward. At this point, I'm just going back and forth between blending and applying color until I'm satisfied. I'm also going back to the yellow shade with a flat brush just to intensify the middle part of my eyes, and then grabbing a pencil brush to connect my lower lash line. Then I'm taking a big fluffy powder brush to dust off all the translucent powder and bring it down to my chin and neck area. And then I'm taking this shimmery yellow eyeshadow, just place it at the inner tear duct and the center of my lid, just to give it a little pop. Moving on to eyeliner, I'm using the Kate liquid eyeliner in black. I'm starting from the center of my eye, slowly work towards the inner area. And then I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil just to tight line my upper lash line. For the lashes, I'm using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise. I like to use a zigzag motion to give the lash a good coat of mascara. Next, I'm gonna contour my face. I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer with an angle brush. Starting from underneath my cheekbone, I work my way down to my chin and my neck area, and also don't forget your forehead. Moving on to blush, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit. I'm using the color Coastline, which is this tangerine orangey color, which matches the eye very well. For highlight, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. And I like to put some down the center of my nose first, and then brow bone, and then my cupid's bow, and then I switch to a bigger brush and highlight on top of my cheekbones. For the lips, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matte Molin lipstick in the color Freckle Fiesta. Then I'm gonna go back to the eyeliner pencil, also my eyeshadow palette, to give myself some faux freckles. And last but not least, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Give myself a few spritz, and we are complete with the look. Hope you guys like this look. If you do, please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!